Happy Friday, friends. It's Shelly. I hope y'all are having a fantastic Friday. Trust and believe. I know you have something that you could be grateful for today, so don't forget to exercise an attitude of gratitude. I wanted to show you guys what I've been working on in my guest bathroom, and oh my goodness, it's taken longer than what I thought it would, but that's okay. It's coming along. It's not finished, but I'll show you what I came up with already. So this beautiful picture here, I got it from Ross right before COVID-19 hit. What makes this piece so special is that I can't believe I bought something that has gold in it, gold and silvers, because I usually don't mix metals, but this beautiful picture is so amazing. The gold foil detail and silver detailing in this picture, this video doesn't do it justice. I love the beading on the edge of the frame, but I also like that that frame is mirrored and that it's matted. And it was only $29 from my favorite store in the whole wide world, Ross. So yeah, that was a great deal for that beautiful picture, $29.99. I brought the towels from my bathroom, in my master bathroom, downstairs to see how I would like them. And when they were in my bathroom upstairs, they did not have these tie backs. They had like a lighter shade of gray. So these are a darker shade of gray. I got both from Ross for $6.99 as a pair. And these towels I got from TJ Maxx, but I bedazzled them myself. And to give this a fuller look, I just rolled a towel and put it inside. And so this one, I have to buy another towel for because I wound up putting it there, but I added that towel bar because, you know, people needed a place to dry their hands, and I know they're not going to use that one, so I'm going to take that down and just put a plain, nice white one so that they'll want to use it when they have to. People are so funny about decorative towels. On the sink, I just placed a bedazzled soap dispenser holder from Bath and Body Works. I got that this, I want to say February. Probably back in February. But I thought it would be a nice addition here. And my whole basis for wanting to do something in this bathroom was because the previous owners had it painted a sunshine yellow. Ugh. So when COVID-19 hit and schools closed down, that very weekend I just said I'm gonna start painting. And so I painted it a platinum gray. This platinum gray is a semi-gloss finish. I like semi-gloss finishes because you can wipe them off. I love that you can wipe them off. So if at all costs, I would always go with a satin finish or a semi-gloss finish, because a flat finish, oh my goodness, it's so hard to get stains off the wall, watermarks, whatever. So this is a semi-gloss finish. Now know this, semi-gloss paint and satin paint do require that you do some paint prep, meaning they show more imperfections than a flat paint. So you're gonna have to patch holes and sand, or the imperfections in your wall will show. Okay. I am going to get another mirror and a light fixture. I know which light fixture I want already, and I'm ordering it. And that is an easy way to glam up your bathroom. And so you guys have seen these chrome switch plates. So I got those from Amazon. Now here's my dilemma. I wallpapered this beautiful wall here, and the wallpaper was only $9.99 from Amazon. And so I brought this silver chrome trimming, and I actually trimmed the wall all the way down. And then the next day I came and that was on the floor. So I was devastated. This one seems to have be holding up pretty good, but I'm noticing some buckling up there. And so this is just chrome that people use when they want to replace the chrome that's on their car. And it has a self-adhesive backing on it, but that tacky stuff that's on the back, you guys, look at this. It is really, it's not doing anything. And I actually even added some hot glue and it's still not staying. And the reason why I decided to trim this, y'all, was because my walls are bowed. So when your house starts settling, you know you either get cracks in the wall or you get bowed walls. And so they were kind of bowing, and so it wasn't even coming down here with the wallpaper. And so I really just wanted something to cover up the curves in the bowing of the wall. So the wallpaper did that, but I don't like the finish. And so I'm debating about just taking that down and finding something else to go with on the wall. But I really do love the chrome detailing because it definitely picks up the chrome that's here and in the hardware and the bathroom, okay? And so here's the other piece on the floor that I had up top. And so that's my dilemma now. But you know me, I will figure it out. It wouldn't stay with hot glue. It doesn't seem like it's going to stay with super glue. I use a little bit of super glue because I'm not gluing it to the wall. I'm gluing it to the wallpaper. But I'm not going to use E6000. Definitely not going to use that. Don't recommend that. Okay. I got this cute little shelf from Ross right before it closed. And no, that shelf came from Burlington. Sorry. The shelf came from Burlington, you guys. And I love that the shelf is also mirrored in this beautiful little vase that you see probably all the time in Ross for like $6.99, $5.99. Was a great way for me to bring in that pop of color that you see in my home. Okay. And I just really love these. I saw this on someone else's page and I love this little mini. It's called a cloche. I love it. And I love that night jasmine candle that's inside. It smells so good, but you don't want to burn it because then it takes away from the decor. So I don't know. That beautiful picture frame we see in the back. If you remember my living room tour, you probably saw the smaller size of that. And that came from Burlington. And so what I did was I took the back off, the back stand, that little cardboard stand, because I'm going to mount it here. But the command hooks I got, that's a heavy picture frame, y'all. So I'm going to have to order another set of command strips because I don't want that to fall and break because it's too beautiful. And this Nest picture frame came from Ross. I believe so. I think so. I think it came, yeah, Ross. And I just printed in silver font, bless this Nest. These two candlesticks here, I got from the At Home store. They were black. I sprayed them metallic silver. And I added 2 candles I got from the Dollar Tree. I am searching for a nice piece of art or metal sculpture to go on that back wall. That big picture frame won't stay there. And here I put my spare toilet paper in a silver basket. Got this basket from TJ Maxx, and what I did was it was brown, so the handles were like that chrome finish, and I just taped off the handles, y'all, and gave it 2 nice coats of spray. Okay. So decor doesn't have to cost a lot. You can move things around in your home. So shop your home. We're on quarantine. Shop your home, you guys. Find things that you may not be in love with anymore. Give it some spray paint, y'all. You can turn it into something very, very special. So shop your home. And I hope that you have been inspired by some of the ideas that I have shared with you. I'm going to get a nice rug to go there. I hope that you've been inspired by some of the ideas that I've shared with you. And that's it for me, y'all. I'm signing off. I gotta go find something to help solve that problem there. But don't forget, I opened the video by saying to exercise attitude of gratitude. So find something to be grateful for, and don't let the small stuff stress you, because guess what? There's someone else who is in a more tighter predicament than you are. Be blessed. Have a great day, you guys.